Okay. Back in the day, I had one of these, of course, or my brother did at least, but we also had an Atari 800 XL, and on that we had a program called Colour Space by Jeff Minner, a light synth, as he called it. I don't have that. I do have this, and I have the kind of first version of it before he refined it for Colour Space, which was Psychedelia. It's pleased me quite a lot. We're now dark. We now need music. I must admit, I spent way too long doing this when I was 14 as a trainee stoner. And everyone you meet. Oh, I had so much fun with this.